Just sit with me for a minute and enjoy the sounds of nature. The crickets and the locusts that are out here right now. Just listen and just be. And let this earth energy come through this screen to where you are now and just envelop you with the light, the love, the security, the safety that you need. Nature is so beautiful. You just have to be quiet enough to listen. The wind blowing slowly, the sun beating down, watching the trees and the high grass just blow in the wind. I mean, it's really just beautiful. Hope you guys are having a great day. Come back to this video whenever you need sounds of nature. I hope you have a great day. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Rise Your Vibes. Bye.